The words weather and climate may seem confusing for some other people, though they refer to events with spatial and time scales that are broadly distinct.
My blog is about criminally related literature review. The effects of global warming are really bad for Earth, even with a slight change in the Earth temperature can cause a drastic change in our planet. Human activities are most likely the main reason on why global warming occurs. For example, when burning fossil fuels, they will release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, trapping the sun's heat and causing the planet to get hotter. That makes them a primary contributor to global warming climate change. Heavy rain trigger overflows of stream. Waterways and primary contributor to the global warming and climate change. Global warming is altering the Earth climate system. It is causing more extreme weather events such as heat waves, storm, drought, and floods. Heat waves can extremely dangerous for living things. This includes us. We could get illness like heat stroke due to the rising of temperature.
Good evening, ma'am, and tonight I'm going to discuss the statement of the problem in our concept paper. And statement of the problem is the global warming and climate change is the issue that the world is facing right now. Scientific evidence continues to confirm that human activities are contributing to the warming of our planet. The products of industrial development, including carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, have risen dramatically in recent decades, leading to an overall increase in air and sea temperatures. So the next one is objectives. First one is to analyze and quantify how changes in the climate, such as temperature, precipitation, and runoff affect our potential to achieve the environmental objectives, which are influenced by long-range transport of air pollution. Number two is to describe and analyze synergies and conflicts between national and international measures that aim to reduce emissions of greenhouse gases and other pollutants in order to achieve the set of objectives. Number three, to improve our understanding of the underlying process in order to develop environmental objectives, improve input data for existing models, and enable better integration of models for the climate, air, and ecosystems.
Greenhouse gases are accumulating in Earth's atmosphere as a result of human activities, causing surface a temperature and subsurface ocean temperatures to rise. Temperatures are in fact rising. The change observed over the last several decades are likely most due to human activities, but we cannot rule out that some significant part of these changes is also a reflection of natural variability. Human-induced warming and associated sea level rise are expected to continue through the 21st century. Secondary effects are suggested by the computer model simulation and basic physical reasoning. This includes increase the rainfall rates and increase susceptibility of semi-arid regions to drought. The impact of these changes will be critically depend on the magnitude of the warming and the rate with which it occurs occurs occurs.
In 2018, the UN Intergovernment Panel on Climate Change stated that we have 12 years left to make major dietary changes The time for looking away from the animal victims and chaos is over. The time to act is now. Animal agriculture is a leading cause of deforestation and species extinction. Nearly 80% of agricultural land is used for animal feed and grazing. The Earth is in the midst of sixth mass extinction of life. Scientists estimate that 150 to 200 species are of plant, insect, bird, and mammal become extinct every 24 hours.